Hello guys, and welcome back to another shoe cleaning video. So for today's video, we're gonna go ahead and clean this kick-ass leather boots from Red Wing. Let's go. Hello guys, and welcome back to another shoe cleaning video. So for today's video guys, we're gonna go ahead and clean this tough shoe leather boot. This one is a Red Wing boot. So here's what we're gonna need to clean this shoe: a soft bristle brush for the upper. Now I use both a hard bristle brush and a steel brush. You heard it right guys, steel brush to clean this heavy duty outsole. Now if you're new to this channel, I do appreciate you dropping by. Please do subscribe to this channel. We do shoe cleaning videos and tutorials, and mostly on products that are available as well in the Philippines. Now a leather boot guys is essential for every shoe collector. Now this is more on the tougher jobs that you do, like it could be riding a motorcycle or going out on the farm. This is built to last, and as long as you take care of the leather, it will last you a lifetime. Now these outsoles are built to last, so these are really tough. You could really use this steel brush, it won't damage them. So here's what we did with the other one. We already cleaned this one, comparing to the dirty shoe. So let's go ahead and proceed with this cleaning. Let's go guys. Hello guys, and we are done with the shoe cleaning. So as you can see guys, very white sole for both shoes. Just remember guys to be very careful when dealing with this steel brush, not to damage the upper. Don't worry about the sole. These are very tough soles and can withstand the steel brush cleaning. By the way, we just used the regular shoe cleaner for this project. We'll just leave the shoe to dry, not in the heat of the sun, but just air dried for 24 hours. After that, we're gonna apply a shoe conditioner, I mean, to condition the leather. Okay. So that is it for today guys, and I hope you learned something new today, and we will see each other soon in our next shoe cleaning video. Bye guys.